El ritmo es all you need, all you need, all you need. El ritmo es all you need, all you need.
Hello boys and girls, I'm Val.
I'm Georgia.
And today we're going to
Dance!
Today we're going to dance. So we're from El Ritmo South American Dance Academy, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to show you some steps, and then you're going to follow us, and then we're going to try with some music. Right, let's get ready. Let's do it. Let's go. Boys and girls, here we go. We're going to start with our feet together. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to bring our feet forward for a little jump. It's like this. Jump to the side. Jump, 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 and swap feet. Well done. To our next step, we're going to twist. So here we go. Let's twist. So having your whole body, twisting your whole body side to side. That's it, moving your hands. Well done. Twist, twist. Great. Okay, to our next step, we're going to clap. How many times?
4.
4 times. So we're going to go up and the side, down and the other side. Repeat that. Up, side, down, side. Well done. From there, we're going to bring our hand to our face, and we're going to wiggle our face, and we wiggle our hands out. That's it. Out. Your fingers. 4 times. Yes. Well done. All right. Let's go from the clap, shall we? So we're going to clap, clap, down, and again. And wiggle your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can move your head. Yes, well done. Okay, to our chorus. What we're going to do, we're going to step now. We're going to take 4 walks to the side. So we're going to step 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to make a sun. Nice big sun. Well done. Then we're going to go to the other side. Take a walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to point at you, and you're going to point at us. Yes. Now we're going to go back to the other side. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this time we're going to make a love heart. Show us your love heart. That's it. And now we're going to run back to our spot because we're going to twist. Here we go, twisting our whole body. Well done, boys and girls. Are you ready to do it with the music now? Are you ready? Are you ready? We're ready. Let's do this. guys for watching. Do you have fun?
Yeah.
We had a lot of fun. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.